Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to look at how to cut a breast pad for princess that bustier. How to cut a breast pad. If you don't know how to cut this princess bustier, I'm going to put the link on the description box. You can go there and watch how to cut the princess that bustier. But today we're going to look at how to cut the breast pad, how to pad the princess that. I'm going to use this to this hairstay. I'm going to use it to gum it on the clothes. When I'm done cutting the breast pad, please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Ask your questions in the comment section and I'll be there to answer your questions. Thank you. So let's go straight to the cutting. I'll be making use of this wording. You have the medium one. This one is a thick one. This one is a thick, strong one. That's the one I want to use. You have the medium one, and you also have the soft one. Any one you want to use. To cut the middle one, I'm going to fold it like this and place my middle I'm going to place the middle starting from the underbust. The wording will start from the underbust to cut the middle breast pad. Is going to start from the underbust. The breast pad is going to start from the underbust and 8 inches. Take 8 inches from the shoulder point. 8 inches from the shoulder point to cut the middle one. 8 inches from the shoulder point and under the bust. Now cut. Going to be for the middle. This is for the middle. Then for the two sides, we cut for the two sides. We place it starting from the underbust. Place it, look for your underbust. I'm going to place it starting from the underbust. Always make sure you notch so that you know where you are. This is my underbust. So I will start from here. This is my underbust. Then I'll measure. I'm going to measure 6 inches. 6 inches. Let me cut this one out first. I'll be cutting from the underbust. Make sure from the underbust. I will start from the underbust to cut. Make sure you cover your hands. And make sure you notch the bust points. It's very important, so that when you are joining, you don't make any mistake. Make sure you notch the bust points. This is the bust point, so I'm going to notch it, so that when I'm joining, it will be very easy for me to join. Just a little notch. Just a little notch, so that when you're joining, you know what you're joining. And for this side, I'm going to take, for this side, I'm going to take 6 inches. 6 inches. And I'm going to curve it 6 inches, and I'll curve it. I'm going to join it and show you how it's going to appear. Just take the gummy side, gum it on the body. Take the gummy side, the place where I notched. So it's going to be, after joining, I'm going to gum it down. The shiny parts, I'm going to gum it down before joining. I will join and show you. The most important thing when you want to join, make sure you use the ½ inch that you left where you were cutting to join. Make sure you use the ½ inch to join, please. So you can see I've ironed everything down. I've ironed everything down. Just go and join it with the ½ inch that I left. Join it with the ½ inch. All right, I've finished padding it, and because I used the strongest pad, That's why it's standing like this. Join with 1/2 inch. See the inside. Use the lining to cover up everything. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. Thank you very much. I'm going to use lining to cover up everything.